Hi, this is Engine Talk. Today I've got a Renault Fluence in the workshop. The problem is, while just driving around there wasn't any issue, but right now, as you can see, there is an issue that's cropped up. That's check anti-pollution system, and the other fault also says, yeah, check injection system. So I'll connect the scanner and see what error we have. So as you can see, there are two errors in injection. Turbo solenoid. I've repaired this wire. As you can see, both the errors are gone into memory. Earlier it was active. So as you can see, I've erased the errors and now there's no fault codes. I'll start the vehicle. There shouldn't be any problem now. No errors. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.